Alright, here's our break. One hobby box of Absolute Football is on eBay in about 7 o'clock Friday night. First up, Matt Ryan. Base. Ooh. Here's a decent one. Hog Heaven Devontae Adams, numbered 6 of 10. For the Titans, Kendall Wright, 35 of 99. And maybe your first hit. For the Ravens, quad jersey card, numbered 43 of 75. Torrey Smith. Next up, ooh, leather and lace, Charles Sims, numbered 6 of 43. Uh-oh. I'm not real sure where we're at, but next up, just a jersey card, Derek Carr. And unfortunately, $150 Panini points, and we will random that off to everyone in the break. And that might be in a separate video. I have to set it up to do that random. Next up, Trey Mason jersey auto, number 35 of 99 for the Rams. And your quad card is Robert Griffin, Alfred Morris, Deshaun Jackson, and Pierre Garçon. And a Hog Heaven for Marshawn Lynch.